hello, pleasure to meet you. My name's Joe and I represent Designs in Air. We've got 10 separate installations, 6 or 7 around the promenade and a few dotted on the hill. I'm here now on babysitting mode. So my role is to go around on a daily basis, make sure nothing's moved or been affected. The company Designs in Air, they've been around for 25 years and over the time have developed this menu of creations. What we do is put a strong inline fan, push air through them just enough so that they maintain their pressure without deforming. And that's what the boys have almost mastered. Over 2 decades of doing it, they've developed things to the point where they have become experts. And these inflatables have really traveled the world. Everything is made in-house by Catherine and the sewing team, and then it's installed by a bunch of individuals like me who are currently around 10 cities in England: Manchester, Lincoln, Nottingham, Wolverhampton, Blackburn, others I can't remember, all doing the same thing for Halloween. So there are literally somewhere between 150 and 200 inflatables on roofs in the country as we speak. Blackpool is the most challenging environment. The Irish Sea takes no prisoners. So for me to be coming out this morning and finding things whole and just needing a little noodling, it makes me happy. I am hopeful that we can succeed here and be able to come back next year.